Like flight, lift, drop, bounce.
Oh my gosh. Are you doing this?
See the size of this fuse? Like,
You gotta tell them what you're doing though, because this shit's going on YouTube.
what?
If it's cool enough. I don't know how cool it's gonna be.
Alright. I got my kitchen gear. This is how you do pretty much easy backyard cleanup. And instead of me cooking, you know, I got my faucet, a little
Okay, nobody cares, okay? No, just don't. You're blowing up the kitchen, okay?
blowing up the kitchen. I'm hoping I don't blow up my hands, but
The fuse. It's like a half an inch thick. Or like long.
that'd be perfect.
You know, this video's already 3 minutes long. No, just go. I can cut it out if I don't want it.
I'm not high enough.
Yo, just... What? Yeah, it's not as cool as... See, you should have put it in the fucking ashtray. You see how fast you ran away?
Some smoking in the oven. Honey, you burnt this fucking turkey?
No.
Pie.
It's pie. Open it. Just open it. Ooh, that smells good. Stick your arm in there. Yeah, I think we need a couple sticks of dynamite if we're trying to, like, blow something like a kitchen up. Just beat the fuck out of it with that cane.